Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. New day, new vlog. It's Friday 29th of January and this weekend is gonna be bit fun for me, a lot fun for me because I'm going to my native place after 2 years and I thought I should vlog it for y'all. And today is my aunt's birthday, that means my mother's sister's birthday, so I am going at her place to surprise her, and I thought it would be a fun vlog to do a birthday vlog plus my traveling vlog. And you guys have been asking me to do a vlog, so here it is. I am doing a vlog. So for now I woke up few hours ago. Now it's 10:30. Now I will put a hair mask on. I will make a DIY hair mask of honey and coconut oil and I will apply it because my hair have been damaged a lot. So to prepare that I will do that and we'll make some breakfast, wait till this dries and then I will wash it and we'll proceed with the day. So yeah, let's go make the mask. Here I am in my kitchen. Now we'll make some mask. I will take 1 or 2 spoons of coconut oil so that I can apply it properly all over my hair. And 1 spoon of honey. So here's the hair mask. I will apply it properly, but first I will detangle my hair and I will apply it. So I have applied the hair mask. Now I will keep this for 30, 40, 45 minutes and then I will wash it off as usual. Till then I will have my breakfast and I will do some packing because I have to leave around 3 from here to go to my sister's house for the birthday party. So I will do that. I will pack the stuff up and have some breakfast. Then I will take a shower. Chalo, let's make some breakfast. Today I'm thinking to make some bread toast and eat chocos. Let's see. And some dry fruits. It's much later than the last clip that you saw. After that I took a shower. I ate my breakfast. I did packing. I attended my college. Now I am leaving. It's 3:15 almost and now I am leaving to go to my aunt's house and I will go there. Then we'll do some decoration. You will see in the front clips, the clips ahead I mean. So yeah, let's go. If you want to see my outfit, wait, I will show you my outfit. This is what I'm wearing, a sweatshirt and boyfriend jeans and my favorite sneakers. So that's my outfit for traveling. Yeah, and these jeans are so comfortable and I love to wear oversized things. As you guys can see, it's all oversized. So let's go. Hi boल. Hi boल. Coffee. Wow, light खरंच भारी आहे तुझ्या घरात. माझ्याकडे कशी light आता बोल. Hello. Hi, this is he is my small brother. What's your name? Devansh. What's your age? Age? What is your age? किती वर्षाचा आहेस? 6. You are in which standard? First. School name? Swami Vivekanand. SVI. Flying kiss. Bye. Bye. तुझ्या पण मी खाली जातो खाली. काय आहे? ये. दिसत नाही पाठी. थांब. तर तुला जे व्हिडिओ बनवायचे ते बनव. मी तुझ्या माझ्या YouTube मध्ये टाकतो. जा. तुझीच बनव. तुला पाहिजे ना, तुला यायचे ना YouTube मध्ये. मला नाही लावली मी. हा. बोल काहीतरी माझ्या कॅमेरा सोबत. हॅलो. माय नेम इज देवांश. आय एम 6 years old. बसून बोल, बसून बोल. We both are matching, red.
Matching.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. तो कैमरा हट होते बार. I love इधर लाइटिंग बहुत अच्छी है ना देवांश लाइट चांगली येते ना.
हाँ रात्रीच्या वेळी आपण इकडे लाइटिंग लावू.
ओके.
काय दिसतं?
My aunt's here and we have done the decoration. I am talking so softly because she don't know that I am here, and here's my sister holding the swords for me. Okay, so wait, I will show you the decoration. So that was the decoration that we did, छोटा सा decoration for her, and we have some of her photos and we have kept the gift sideways, and yeah, let's see how she reacts. Yeah, let's hope for it. Okay, so it's 11 PM and we just took a break for dinner and we are near where कुठे आपण Kolhapur. We are near Kolhapur and me and my brother are just sitting in the car, and my mom and uncle are just doing little walk outside, and it's 19 degrees. I'm not feeling that cold, but it's 19 degrees. Okay, obviously because I'm wearing sweater, that's why. And we'll reach there by 4 or 5. Reach there matlab I will reach at my place by 4 or 5 in the morning. Yeah.
Elder matka. अरे
Introduction please.
Introduction.
5 दिवस चालते ना.
देवांश come here.
जा का 5 दिवस चालते वरती.
She's saying 5 दिवस चालते.
चालते. जाओ 5 दिवस चालते. तुम्ही
दिवस आगे केस करते.
Vlog.
हाय बोल.
हाय. यो.
अरे काय असं घेतलं नाही. चैनी विनी काय घेऊन
हा घेते.
मी पर्सनल व्लॉग आहे, शेअर होईल.
मग तेच बरोबर आहे.
हाय तर बोला. हाय तर बोला.
काय चौथा.
बाय. आता बा हाय बोला.
Hi. I am reading paper. I am watching paper. Wear mask. घेऊन घ्या आपला जायचं ते घेऊन घ्या. कोण काय बोलला ना, अभ्यास कर तरी वाजवा चालू करायचं, मग अभ्यास कर बोलणार. लांब काय शिकवतोय.
We are going back home. I will talk to you once I get home because I feel awkward talking in front of my family, and he's my baby brother. Hi, Bull. Bull, like, share and subscribe to our channel.
Like, share and subscribe to our channel.
And share also. Share the video.
Share the videos.
Yes.
Go to.
So I just came up here to end the vlog. I forgot that I haven't ended the vlog, so I just came up here to end the vlog. Ignore my halat because I just woken up and I was just editing the video and I saw that I haven't filmed the outro of the video. So yeah, that was it, a little travel log of me traveling to my native village after almost 2 years. Yeah, it has been 2 years. Last I visited was in 9th standard, I guess now, and it has been 2 years. I wanted to stay long, but I couldn't stay a long time over there. So yeah, it was a quick trip. We went on Saturday afternoon and we came back Monday morning very early in the morning, very early in the morning. So yeah, and hope you guys like it. If you like this type of travel vlogs, do let me know. I would love to film such random travel vlogs or random vlogs. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Bye, hope you guys like it, and the part 2 of the previous video is coming in the next video, so stay tuned for that also. So yeah, bye, see you in my next video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel below and press the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video, and Insta link in the bio description. Do follow me there. Bye.